Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an upload field in Upload Center. First, click this button. This will take you to the page for creating fields. There are many options to configure your upload field. Let's start with a simple example. In this box, you can set the title of the upload field. This title is only visible on your admin dashboard. Next, select the target product. If you want to rename the uploaded file, you can use options like Customer ID, Date, Order ID, or Product Handle. Simply drag and drop these options into this box. I'll name this field Test Upload. And select Gildan T-shirt from the product list. Make sure this checkbox is selected if you require the file. It should also be selected as active. I'll select Order ID and Variant Name. And the original file name of the uploaded file. To restrict the number of files uploaded, select this checkbox. You can then set the minimum and maximum number of files allowed. The other feature is File Quantity Management. I'll explain this feature in more detail later. To restrict file extensions, select this box. You can type the extensions or select predefined ones. For example, to allow only image files, select this option. Another of our key features is custom price calculation. This feature is only available in the Pro Plus and Basic Plus plans. If you want to apply dynamic pricing based on dimensions, select this box. You'll need to select a unit type. We currently have these options, but we'll be adding more soon. For example, if you select inch height, you'll need to set the DPI value, the print width of your printable area, and the unit price. This feature is often used by DTF merchants. For example, to sell DTF gang sheets, which are generally 22 inches wide, you would set this value to 22. You could then set the unit price to 50 cents. Most DTF merchants use a DPI value of 300. This allows customers to upload a gang sheet and see the price calculated automatically without selecting variants or sizes. This is an optional feature, available only in the Basic Plus and Pro Plus plans. We'll cover this in detail in another video. We also have a feature to restrict the dimensions of uploaded files. Enable this by clicking this checkbox. You can create conditions by clicking this button. Options include inch, height, width, and pixel height and width. We will be adding more dimension types later. For example, to prevent customers from uploading gang sheets wider than 22 inches, select inch width as the dimension type, greater than as the operator, and set the value to 22. You can also enable rounding. As instance, if the uploaded file has a width of 21.6 and rounding is enabled, the app will round the value to 22. Then select an action, Prevent or Warning. Warning shows a warning message to customers, but they can still place the order even if the dimensions don't meet your requirements. Prevent stops customers from placing an order if the uploaded file doesn't meet the dimension requirements. They'll see an error message on the product page. You can also apply these conditions to specific product variants. If your product has only one variant or no variants, you can select all variants. Finally, save the configuration. Your product is now ready. You can preview it by clicking the Preview button. Here you go. The upload field is ready on your product page. Customers can drag their files into the box and add the product to their cart.